Hello friends, today we are going to learn the dominance method. If the matrix does not contain saddle point, they are reduced 2 by n or m by 2 game to 2 by 2 size by eliminating certain strategies, row or column whose removed will not affect the solution of game. Means the matrix 2 by n or m by 2 is reduced by 2 by 2 but solution is not affected by reducing. Then principle of dominance method. If the strategy of a player dominate over the other strategy in all conditions, then lateral strategy can be ignored. Obviously, it will not affect the solution of game. Means one strategy is removed or delete, then solution of game is not affected. A strategy dominated over the other only if it is the preferable or the other in all conditions. Then see the rule of dominance. There are two rules of dominance method. That is, first rule is dominance. That is the first dominance rule for rows. Dominance rule for row. And second is the dominance rule for column. First is dominance rule for row. If all the elements in ith row of payoff matrix are less than or equal to the corresponding element of the jth row, there the player A will never choose the ith strategy is dominated by jth strategy. Means which row contain less element than other row. That row contain less element, that row is delete. And second is rule for column. If all the element in the pth column of payoff matrix are greater than or equal to corresponding element of qth column, there their player will never choose the pith strategy or pith row. It is dominated by qth strategy. Means which column contain greater element, that column is delete. Then we see the problem of dominance method. First problem is given as, first write the problem. Two farms compacting for a business under the condition so there are farms gain is another farms loose forms. One form is gain form and another form is loose form. A payoff matrix is given by form A, form B, and here A1, A2, A3 means 3 rows are present. B1, B2, B3 means 3 columns are present. First row is 10, 5, minus 2. Second row is 13, 12, 15, and third is 16, 14, 10. Suggest optimum strategy for two forms and the net outcome thereof. First write the given payoff matrix means solution. First write the given payoff matrix. The given payoff matrix for form A and forms B, that is form A, A1, A2, A3, form B, B1, B2, B3. The given payoff matrix is 10, 5, minus 2, 13, 12, 15, 16, 14, 10. We see that matrix clearly the first column dominate the second column because first column element are 10, 13 and 16. The element of first column are greater than the element of second column, and we know the rule, dominance rule for column. Therefore we delete the first column and we get the matrix delete the first column. And we get matrix row are A1, A2, A3. First column is deleted. Then we get B2, B3, and element of the that is 5 minus 2, 12, 15, 14, 10. And again we see that the first row is dominated by second and third row because all the element of first row element are 5 minus 2. The element of first row are less than or equal element of the second and third row. Therefore first row is deleted. Then we get first row is deleted. Then we get the row A2, A3, B2, B3, that is 12, 15, 14, 10. And we get the 2 by 2 0% gain. Then we find the maximum and minimax. First, lowest element is 12 and second 10, and minimum of this maximum is 12. Here 14, 15, and minimum of this 14 means maximin is not equal to minimax. Clearly the given payoff matrix without saddle point. Therefore, the given payoff matrix is without saddle point. Therefore, the optimum mix strategy for firm A and B are given by SA is equal to A1, A2, A3, P1, P2, P3 and P1 where P1 plus P2 plus P3 is equal to 1 and optimal strategy for player B is B1, B2, B3 that is Q1, Q2, Q3 and where Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 is equal to 1 and in the given payoff matrix first column is delete and first row is delete. Therefore, strategy for first row is P1 that is equal to 0 and strategy for first column Q1 is equal to 0 and in this matrix 2 by 2 matrix A11 is equal to 12, A12 is equal to 15, A21 is equal to 14 and A22 is equal to 10 and now we know the formula for mixed strategy P2 is equal to A22 minus A21 upon A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21 and write these values 10 minus 14 upon 22 minus 29 that is equal to 4 by 7. Here P2 is equal to 4 by 7, then find P3 and P3 is equal to 3 by 7. 1 minus 4 by 7 that is equal to 3 by 7. Then write the formula for Q2. Here Q2 is equal to A22 minus A12 upon A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. Then put this value Q2 is equal to 10 minus 15 upon minus 7 that is equal to 5 by 7 and then 1 minus Q2 that is equal to Q3 and Q3 is equal to 2 by 7. Hence, the optimal strategy for player A and B or farm A optimal strategy for farms A and B are SA is equal to A1, A2, A3 that is equal to 0, 4 by 7, 3 by 7 and SB is equal to B1, B2, B3 and that is equal to 0, 5 by 7, 2 by 7 and value of game. Now value of game V is equal to A11 A22 minus A12 A21 that is upon minus 7. Minus 7 is the value of A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21 and that is equal to 12 multiply by 10 minus 15 multiply by 14 divided by minus 7, and that is equal to v is equal to 19 by 7. This is the value of game. Optimal strategy are given by SA, SB, and this is value of game. Therefore, the farm A used the optimal strategy A2 and A3, while the with percent 57% and farm B 43% of time respectively. And similarly, the farm B used the optimal strategy B2 B3 with 71% and 29% of the times respectively. This calculated by using the percentage formula. Then we take the second problem. Second problem is given by the following payoff matrix is solve the game by dominance method. And given payoff matrix is player A, player B, that is 4 by 4 matrix. First row is 3 2 4 0, second is 3 4 2 4, third is 4 2 4 0, and fourth is 0 4 0 8. Then find the solution. First write the given payoff matrix. The given payoff matrix is player B, player A, 4 row are present, therefore A1, A2, A3, A4, and 4 column are present, therefore B1, B2, B3, B4, and that is 3 2 4 0 3 4 2 4 4 2 4 0 0 4 0 8. That is the given payoff matrix. Then from this matrix we see that first row is dominate by third row, because all the element of first row are less than or equal to the respective element of the third row. Therefore, we delete the first row. Then delete the first row. Then we get the payoff matrix A2, A3, A4, B2, B3, B4, that is 4 2 4 2 4 0 4 0 8. Now in above payoff matrix, no single row dominate or single column is dominate, but the second means this column, second column 4 to 4 is dominate average of column third and fourth. First find the average of third and fourth column. Average of third and fourth column is 2 plus 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 3. 4 plus 0 divided by 2, that is equal to 2, and 0 plus 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 4. Therefore, average of third and fourth column element is 3 2 4, and we see the column 2 is 4 2 4. That is greater than equal to the average of third and fourth. Therefore, column second is deleted and then we get the reduced second column delete. Then we get the payoff matrix is B3, B4, 2, 4, 4, 0, 0, 8. Again, no single row is dominant. But the second row means 2, 4, that is dominate by the average of third and fourth row. Then find first the average of third and fourth row, that is 4 plus 0 divided by 2 and 0 plus 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 4, and this value is equal to this value, means average of third and fourth row is equal to average of second row, and you know the rule for dominance for row, and then the second row is delete. Then we get the 2 by 2 payoff matrix, and that 2 by 2 payoff matrix is A3, A4, B3, B4, that is equal to 4008. Then find maximin and minimax. Here maximin is 0, 0, that is 0, and here 4, 8, and that is 4. Maximin is not equal to minimax. Therefore, their given payoff matrix is without saddle point. Then optimal mix strategy for player A, SA, and player B, SB are SA is equal to A1, A2, A3, A4, P1, P2, P3, P4, and SB is equal to B1, B2, B3, and B4, that is Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Here we see that first row and second row is deleted. Therefore, P1 is equal to P2 is equal to 0, and here the P3 plus P4 is equal to 1. In second, you know B1 and B2 are deleted, therefore Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to 0, and Q3 plus Q4 is equal to 1. And then we write the element of this payoff matrix is A11 is equal to 4, A11 is equal to 4, A12 is equal to 0, A21 is equal to 0, and A22 is equal to 8. Then P3 is equal to, write the formula, A22 minus A21 upon A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21, and write the value 8 minus 0 upon 12 minus 0, and that is equal to 2 by 3. This is the value of P3. Then find P4. P4 is